please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hi everyone, this is the most interesting part from the 5 posts of making her. I am going to make her party dress and accessories in this and the next post. This post will be the 4th of 5 posts. See the related articles or playlist to find our other related posts and videos. Please feel free to follow the design or do your own or use any material which you already have to handcraft on it. Here are the tools and materials that I will use in this tutorial. For more details, please get the link below and visit 3howto.com. Take your paperDoll to draw her figure on a piece of paper. At the same time, design the outline of her party dress according to your design idea. Also, draw some rectangular strips on both sides for being attached to her. Blend the color to a similar color as the feathers. After that, paint the color on the paper patch. You don't have to be too detailed. Just paint on the color. After that, trim the patch out from the paper. Once the patch is done, get the paperDoll and put it on her. Check the patch has covered her well and matches your design. From all your material, choose the right length and color of the feathers. Let it cover to her feet until her ankles. According to my design, I would like to make a curve at the edge of her skirt hem. Also present the feathers longest to shortest from left to right. After that, design the skirt hem with a streak of a dark feather. Check the curve is looking nice at the end of the skirt hem while you are choosing this feather. Put the glue on the end of each vein, then place it at the end of the paper patch skirt. In the same way, continue processing the other 4 feathers on the skirt end. While you are placing the feathers on the patch, make the curve at the end of the skirt hem look smooth. In the end, I'm using 2 pegs to stabilize the veins and the paper patch together well. When the first layer of the feathers has dried out, remove the pegs. After that, I'm going to glue a dark blue feathers into between 2 feathers from the first layer. Keep adding another 3 into it. Once you have done all, take some time to wait for it to dry out again. The names of the parts of the feather will be called as below. As the photo is showing you, there are 3 patch positions and size on her skirt top that will be processed in this step. I'm going to use the different bob size of the feature to match this to the top of her skirt part. Patch 1. Get a right bob shape to match her front skirt and cut the after feather out and glue it on the page paper. Try to keep the shape of the feather as good as you can. Patch 2. Find a right bob shape to be able to cover the vein of the bottom feathers which you have done from the step before. Cut the after feather out and glue it on the paper patch. Trying to hide the top point of the vein under the patch 1. Patch 3. Get a right bob shape to be able to cover her bottom area. Cut the after feather out and glue it on the paper patch. Also, trying to hide the top point of vein under the patch 1 and overlay well on top of patch 2. Once the 3 patches have been done, follow the paper patch to trim the excess off. I'm going to decorate the upper edge with some blue circle sequins. Put some glue and place the sequins on it. I'm keeping about the radius of the sequence as the spacing, that the two arcs converge into the center line of the figure in perspective. After that, choose a bee bob, which is able to cover all her top, that the bob of the center vein able to align to her center line too. Then glue the bob on the paper patch. Press the bob well on the paper patch when the glue is put on the vein. After that, trim the excess off from both sides and match the figure of the paper patch. I'm trying to make her chest look fluffy by using 4 after feathers and some dots of the bob on both sides of her chest. As a result, I'm cutting off the bob and trim the shape to look round. After that, insert it into the right side of the chest position on the paper patch. For the left side, process it the same. Once the design is decided, glue 4 of the after feathers first. After that, make the 2 bigger dot patterns to be glued at the top front, and glue the other 2 small ones under the top one. Present it as a butterfly shape on the front of her center line. Apply a roll of glue on her waistline. Then place some beads on it. Please feel free to design any style of her belt. I'm making double rows of beads on her center to design her belt. After that, I am sticking 2 small and 1 big blue gems to the center of the butterfly shape. In the end, trim some excess to improve all shapes of her dress. Also, organize all dark blue feathers on her skirt hem and make it look good. Here we go. She has her fancy blue feathered party dress. I'm here to offer you some idea to design your paperDoll party dress. Please feel free to use your creativity to make her dress look awesome. Thank you so much for checking out this course. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I will share more interesting DIY courses with you. Please subscribe if you like this content. See you soon next time.